Hi there, it's me Bijwal. I have personal experience of my friends asking me whether they can make money from home or if there is any jobs that they can work online. In foreign countries, children will start to work from the age of 13 or 14. The Indian scenario, it is completely different. We are taught to work only after studies, but this have changed a little now all the time. Students are searching ways to make money along with their studies. Here comes the concept of freelancing. You may have heard of freelancing before. Even not, it's not a problem. In this video, I'll tell you what is freelancing and how you can kickstart your freelancing journey. Also, I'll tell you how you can make your first income out of that. The good thing is that I'll be providing you 3 bonus tips at the end of the video. Please watch the video from start to end to know about it. Before starting into the video, if you're for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you can get all my content immediately when I upload them. So what is freelancing? Freelancing is doing specific work without committing to full-time employment. A freelancer often take on multiple projects at the same time with multiple clients. This is completely different from working in an institution, working in a company. If you are working in a company, you may have to take a job which is 9 to 5, but freelancing enables you to work with multiple clients at the same time according to the works that they prefer you to do. You can work with many entrepreneurs, content creators, businessmen, brands and individuals. These people will be mostly your clients when you start your freelancing journey. But the problem with freelancing is that you should have at least a skill to start your freelancing journey. Don't worry if you don't have one. I will tell you how you can make skills when we continue the video. So watch the video to the full end. Now I'm going to tell you how you are going to work with your skills with different kinds of clients. Let me take an example as a graphic designer, and that is one of the skills that I personally use to do my freelancing. And the second skill that I use is editing. So as a graphic designer, you are working for a YouTube academy or YouTube channel. So you will be paid according to the requirements that they prefer you to do. Primarily, you will have to make negotiations with them on how much amount they should pay for you at the end. It's according to the period of your work and the intensity and quality of your work that you will be paid. But there are much things that we should discuss about negotiations, and we'll be discussing it later in this video. As I have told earlier, you need a skill set to work as a freelancer. So as a graphic designer working for a YouTube channel, you may be advised to make 2 posters. For example, a thank you poster for 10k subscribers and one YouTube ad poster. Both of these works are on different levels. The first one is the beginner level and the second one is an advanced level work. My point is that people with different levels of skills can work as a freelancer. Don't worry if you are a beginner or if you are professional in something. Both of you guys have a chance to work in this field. You are in fact convincing your clients by marketing your skills in front of them. For that, you may be asked to show your previous works. When saying about me, I've worked with different modeling companies, brands, businesses and individuals, helping them to make their logos, posters and brochures. Also, I've edited more than 200 plus photos. So these are what I'm going to show to them. You may show an Instagram page which contains all the works that you have done earlier, but it's always better to make a standard portfolio for yourself. You can sign into dribbble.com and make your portfolio there. You can add all the images of the works that you have done earlier. So now we are getting into the most important question. Where can you market your skills? Where can you showcase your skills? There are many sites that help you with this service. There is fiverr.com and upwork.com. If you are a high professional, then you must try LinkedIn too. These are the sites that will provide you with many works, tons of works from millions of businesses, brands and individuals to work with. I want to say you that this video isn't sponsored at all, but I'm sharing all these things, all the names of the sites, because I wanted to share you something valuable through this video. When I started my freelancing journey, I was completely confused about it. So I want you to avoid all these confusions, and I want you to know everything that you need to start your freelancing journey. There are many skills that different companies and individuals want from you. Graphic designing was just an example taken by me to make you understand what the concept is. There is content creation, there is content writing, video editing, photo editing, logo designing, marketing, and even specific skills like taking tuition, teaching music, and even designing a book cover to some individuals. There are much more specific skills really people want you to work on. As I've promised earlier, I'll tell you where you can learn all these skills. As you know that you can learn many skills, as much as skills from YouTube. But the problem of YouTube is that all the contents in YouTube are disorganized, and many of these lessons will be leading you to a course link where they'll be teaching you the skill. You won't get a structural type of education when you follow YouTube, but still there are many persons who are generous to teach you for free. For example, if you want to learn Photoshop, I recommend you to follow Piximperfect by Umesh Dinda, who teaches every nook and corner of Photoshop. But the problem is that all the contents are disorganized. If you want a structured learning, I recommend you to follow sites like Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, edX Learning, more and more. Most of these sites are paid, and you can even get an online certificate after you complete the course. But what if you don't want to spend money on learning? I'll tell you that too. You can get these courses for absolutely free. I'll be telling you that at the end of the video, so please wait till that. The next thing that you should remember when you start your freelancing journey is that don't expect a huge amount when you just start your work. Still, you'll get a reasonable amount from the work that you are doing, but don't expect a huge amount. There are freelancers who make lakhs of amounts in months, but for you to grow like them, you have to make people feel that your content is a piece of credibility and quality. One of the benefits you get from freelancing is that you will get experience. People ask that they need experience for getting a job, and they need a job for getting experience. So this is how you can get experiences. You can add all of these things in your CV if you are applying a job after your studies. This can be considered as an experience. Freelancers are self-employed workers. The next important thing that you should note is that there are scams in freelancing. There are chances for you to get cheated without paying money. To avoid this, you should be able to send a contract saying all your terms and conditions that contains how much amount they should pay in different stages of your work. You may be thinking that you don't know to send a proposal. It's okay. There are YouTube channels and even courses that teach you how to do a proposal, how to send a proposal, how you can make negotiations and all. So you can learn from that. So now we are coming to the end of the video. As I have promised you, I'll be providing 3 bonus tips that will aid you with freelancing journey. The first thing is about the most popular freelancing jobs. As an example, I've taken graphic designing is one of the most popular freelance jobs ever. You can do graphic designing and make a lot of money if you really think that you are skilled in that job. The next skill is copywriting. The next comes digital marketing. But digital marketing is a very wide and vast field. So diving into that, I recommend you to learn search engine optimization, social media management, and social media marketing. These are the 3 skills that I have personally felt is getting more popularity in this field. Now there are skills like content writing, coding, web development, software development, and visual assistant, more and more. The second bonus tip is about how you can learn these courses for free. You can learn all the Udemy courses for absolutely and completely free. This is one of the best thing that I'm going to say you in this whole video. I haven't heard people saying this thing in any kind of videos, so I'm sharing with you this. There is a Telegram channel called Free Certification Courses. You can learn all the Udemy courses free using their coupons provided there. I'll be attaching the link of that Telegram channel in the description. You may check that. The third bonus tip is about how you can do freelancing as offline. You don't need to work always as an online freelancer. There are ways that you can find clients as offline. When saying about me, I get more clients offline rather than online in my editing. It is through recommendation of my previous clients. You may get clients even from near your house if you take a look clearly. Shift your mindset from that of a common man to that of a freelancer so that you will surely get clients. For that, you should make people think that your work is absolutely a piece of credibility and quality, as I said earlier. Always keep this in mind, that don't expect a lot of money from just the day you start the work. But the earlier you practice it, the more you will benefit from the skill. In this video, I think I've covered every key points that you should know before you start your freelancing journey. Understand which skills suits you most, learn the skill, and start your freelancing journey. If you find this video to be useful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. I wish all the best for your freelancing journey. Just start now. See you in the next video.